Most people are going to sleep tonight. You're not most people. What you're about to see is a list of gadgets most people have never even heard of. The one we saved for last is the most undetectable thing on this entire list. You need to stay till the end. Before we get into it, a quick word. Every single gadget on this list is purchasable right now. Now let us get into the list. 25. Household items disguised as spy cameras. Let us talk about cameras hiding inside everyday objects. Alarm clocks, smoke detectors, USB charging blocks, picture frames, and Bluetooth speakers are all available with fully functional 1080p cameras built inside them. Motion-triggered recording, Wi-Fi live streaming, and push notifications to your phone make these legitimate home monitoring tools. The disguise is not just cosmetic. It means the footage you capture reflects genuine, unguarded behavior because nobody knows they are being observed. 24. SDR Software-Defined Radio. Let us talk about number 24. The RTL SDR is one of the most exciting pieces of kit in amateur electronics right now. A small USB dongle and free open-source software convert any laptop into a wideband radio receiver. You can pull real-time aircraft positions from ADS-B signals, download live images directly from weather satellites. 23. Stealth Surveillance Drones. Number 23 is a legitimate tool for property owners, agricultural professionals, and filmmakers. Near-silent quadcopters with high-resolution cameras are used for large estate perimeter monitoring, crop assessment, and cinematic aerial photography. Thermal-equipped variants extend capability into total darkness, making them essential for wildlife research and search and rescue operations across rough terrain. The combination of silence and thermal optics puts capabilities once reserved for military reconnaissance into civilian hands. 22. Wall wiretap devices and acoustic stethoscopes. Number 22 is a professional diagnostic tool with capabilities that genuinely surprise people. Structural engineers and plumbers press contact microphones against walls to detect water leaks and pipe stress without cutting into anything. Pest control specialists identify termite activity by the sound signature it produces through solid surfaces. The sensitivity on a quality contact mic against standard drywall, sounds that are completely inaudible to the naked ear become clear audio. 21. High-powered handheld lasers. Let us talk about number 21. High-output green lasers are the preferred tool for astronomers pointing out stars and constellations in the dark sky with absolute precision across vast distances. At serious power levels, they are also used in professional surveying, industrial alignment, and theatrical stage lighting. The beam coherence on these units over long distances is something you genuinely have to witness to appreciate. Green wavelength delivers the most visually dramatic result of any color in the spectrum. Number 20 can copy the contactless card in your wallet right now. 20. Proxmark 3 NFC RF ID reader and cloner. Number 20 is the gold standard in access control security research. The Proxmark 3 reads, clones, and emulates RFID and NFC tags, which makes it indispensable for IT security professionals who are hired to test the vulnerability of corporate badge systems and contactless infrastructure before real attackers find the gaps. Penetration testers use this device to demonstrate exactly how exposed access control systems are. Number 19 looks exactly like a standard car key and captures everything around it in crystal clear detail. 19. RC400 Key Fob Covert Camera. Number 19 is what licensed investigators actually carry in the field. RC400 UW shoots 4K Ultra HD video through a wide-angle lens concealed inside a functional car key fob. For documentary journalists, field researchers, and private investigators operating in environments where a visible camera changes how people behave, This tool captures authentic footage that a standard camera never could. The jump from 1080p to 4K on this unit is a meaningful upgrade for evidentiary quality. 18. Car key, relay and signal capture devices. Let us talk about number 18. Automotive security consultants use relay capture devices to demonstrate proximity key vulnerabilities directly to car manufacturers and fleet operators. Understanding exactly how a relay attack works at a technical level is what drove the development of signal-blocking key pouches, now sold as standard accessories for keyless entry vehicles. This research has directly improved consumer protection. Knowing the attack is what builds the defense. 17. Realistic firearm replicas and prop guns. Number 17 has a serious and well-funded market in professional film and theater production. Weighted prop replicas that match real firearm specifications in dimensions, balance, and field strip capability are essential for training actors and stunt professionals to handle them realistically on camera. Military and law enforcement training programs use inert replicas for safe handling drills before introducing live weapons. The realism is deliberate. It exists because authenticity in screen performance demands it. Number 16 lets you see perfectly in near total darkness at distances that would genuinely amaze you. 16. Advanced Night Vision Units. Number 16 is a tool that hunters, wildlife photographers, and search and rescue operators have relied on professionally for years. High-performance image intensifier technology in civilian Gen 2 Plus units detects human movement at over 300 meters in near total darkness. The first time you look through a quality night vision monocular in a genuinely dark environment, the clarity at range is jaw-dropping. Operations that were previously impossible after sunset become completely viable. 15. HK5 Malicious USB Implant Cables. Number 15 is essential kit for serious red team security professionals. The OMG cable and similar implant devices allow penetration testers to physically demonstrate hardware-level attack surfaces to corporate clients in controlled audit environments. Organizations pay significant fees for exactly this kind of physical access assessment. Discovering this vulnerability through authorized testing is what prompts the hardware security hardening that protects enterprise systems from genuine threat actors. 14. Compact Thermal Imagers. Number 14 is a multi-industry workhorse. Electricians use smartphone-attached thermal cameras to detect overheating circuits and breaker panels before they become fires. Building inspectors map insulation gaps and moisture intrusion by temperature differential without touching a wall. Search and rescue teams locate missing persons in dense vegetation or complete darkness by body heat signature. Capabilities that used to cost thousands of dollars are now available for under $300. Number 13 records everything around it in full HD, and nobody in the room can see a camera anywhere. 13. Spy camera glasses and wearable recorders. Let us talk about number 13. Investigative journalists and field researchers have used wearable cameras embedded in glasses, caps, and shirt buttons to document authentic interactions in environments where a visible camera would completely shut down the moment. Exposés of workplace abuse, institutional corruption, and fraud have been built on footage from exactly these tools. The absence of a visible camera is not a gimmick. It is the whole point. Number 12 opens most residential deadbolts in under 10 seconds and does not leave a scratch. 12. Electric lockpick devices. Number 12 is a staple of the professional locksmithing trade. Electric pick guns use high-frequency vibration to rapidly manipulate pin tumblers for non-destructive entry when clients are locked out of their homes. Drilling a lock destroys it and costs the client a full replacement. An electric pick gun opens it cleanly in seconds. Security researchers also use them to assess the real-world resistance of residential and commercial locks, producing data that manufacturers use to improve product lines. 11. Universal handcuff keys and escape tools. Number 11 has been part of professional preparedness kit for a long time. Escape artists have trained with universal handcuff keys for over a century. Survivalists carry them because the ability to free yourself from a restraint in an extreme kidnap or false imprisonment scenario is a genuine life safety consideration. First responders and personal security professionals keep them as part of standard emergency equipment. The tool is small enough to conceal anywhere. Number 10 is changing the entire content creation and live entertainment industry one voice at a time. 10. Real-time voice changers and impersonation devices. Number 10 is a legitimate and growing tool in entertainment, gaming, and professional content creation. Voice modulation hardware with under 20 milliseconds of latency is used by streamers, podcasters, and voice actors to create compelling audio characters live without post-production. Game developers build these into character interaction systems. Accessibility researchers are studying them for applications in assistive communication technology for people who have lost the ability to produce their natural voice. 9. Concealed blade jewelry and protector rings. Number 9 is a personal safety tool built into the most accessible carry imaginable. Protector rings and blade-integrated bracelets give individuals a discreet defensive option that requires no permit, creates no visible print under clothing, and is always within reach because it is literally on the body. Ceramic blade construction keeps the profile lightweight. For people in environments where personal safety is a genuine daily concern, the form factor is a serious practical advantage. 8. Stun gun phone cases and disguised electroshock devices. Number 8 solves a real carry problem for self-defense. A functional stun gun integrated into a phone case means your protective tool is always charged, always in your hand, and never forgotten because your phone goes with you everywhere. For anyone who wants a non-lethal personal defense option with zero additional carry burden, this form factor is genuinely clever. The integration is seamless enough that the device draws no attention whatsoever. Number 7 knows where your car, your luggage, and your most valuable assets are at every moment of every day. 7. GPS trackers. Number 7 is one of the most practically useful tools on this entire list. Magnetic GPS trackers running on 3-month battery lives are used by fleet managers to monitor vehicle locations in real time, by parents tracking teen drivers, by travelers who need to know where their luggage is anywhere in the world, and by businesses protecting high-value mobile assets. The cellular and satellite connectivity options on modern units mean coverage is genuinely global. The peace of mind is worth every penny. 6. Flame exhaust and vehicle fire modifications. Number 6 is the centerpiece of an entire automotive performance culture. Flame exhaust kits are a fixture at car shows, track days, and enthusiast meets on every continent. The controlled combustion effect at the exhaust tip is visually spectacular, and the aftermarket community built around these builds is massive and passionate. On closed tracks and private property, they represent a thrilling and dramatic performance modification with a dedicated global following. 5. Police-style LED emergency lights and sirens. Let us talk about number 5. Volunteer firefighters, off-duty emergency medical responders, and licensed private security operators use high-output LED light bars to move through traffic when responding to genuine emergencies. Modern LED emergency lighting technology is dramatically more powerful and energy efficient than older halogen systems. The visibility at distance and the reaction time it generates from other road users makes it a genuine safety tool for authorized emergency response operators. Number 4 delivers an electric shock from a ring on your finger in a fraction of a second. 4. Electric shocker rings and novelty. Number 4 builds a last resort defensive option into the most wearable form factor possible. A ring you never take off means a defensive tool you can never leave behind. Novelty prank versions have built a massive social media following of reaction content that has racked up tens of millions of views. For personal safety enthusiasts who want a zero draw time option that requires no holster, no bag, and no thought, the concept is genuinely smart design. 3. Modified consumer drones that exceed legal limits. Number 3 is something serious drone operators have known about for a while. Consumer drones are artificially capped well below their actual hardware performance ceiling. Aftermarket firmware modifications unlock higher altitude capacity, extended transmission range, and increased payload tolerance. Professional aerial surveyors, infrastructure inspection operators, and cinematographers working on private land use these modifications to access capabilities their projects genuinely require. The underlying hardware was already capable. The firmware just was not. 2. Power outlet hidden cameras. Number 2 is one of the most ingeniously designed home security tools ever made. It records 1080p video continuously while functioning as a fully working power socket that actually charges your devices. Motion-triggered alerts, night vision, two-way audio, and loop recording to a micro SD card are all packed inside what looks like a standard wall outlet. Parents use these to monitor babysitters. Business owners use them for discreet loss prevention. The disguise is so complete that the footage it captures reflects genuinely authentic, unguarded behavior. 1. Magnetic micro earpieces and exam assist devices. Let us talk about number 1. The magnetic micro earpiece is so small it sits entirely inside the ear canal. From conversational distance, even with direct eye contact, it is completely invisible. It receives real-time audio via near-field magnetic induction from a transmitter coil worn flat against the skin, usually as a necklace or sewn into a collar, paired wirelessly by Bluetooth to a phone sitting in a bag or jacket pocket. The audio transmission on premium units is stable, clear, and remarkably low latency. Most people tapped out somewhere in the middle, and they missed the best part. Drop a comment below with the number that hit different for you the most. Share this with someone who thinks they know everything about tech, because I guarantee at least 5 things on this list will shake them. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video goes even deeper into the gear most people never find out exists. You do not want to be the last one in the room to know.